Is the Dreame L20 Ultra robot vacuum and mop the best cleaning solution for your busy life? Watch to the end as we do a Dreame L20 Ultra robot vacuum and mop review. Tired of spending your precious free time cleaning? Discover how the Dreame L20 Ultra robot vacuum and mop can revolutionize your home cleaning routine. The Dreame L20 Ultra is a high-end robot vacuum and mop designed to make your life easier. It boasts impressive features like mop extension, automatic mop removal, and powerful 7,000 PA suction. This intelligent cleaning machine also self-empties, self-refills, and uses AI to avoid obstacles. It's currently priced at $549, a significant drop from its list price of $1,399. One of the standout features is the MopExtend technology. This allows the L20 Ultra to reach tricky edge areas for a more thorough clean. The fully automatic base station takes care of dustbin emptying, mop washing and drying, and water tank refilling. This means less manual work for you. With 7,000 PA of suction, the L20 Ultra tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. The liftable rubber brush also prevents hair tangles. The Pathfinder. Smart navigation and 3D obstacle avoidance system ensures efficient and safe cleaning. It recognizes up to 55 different object types. The innovative mop removal technology automatically removes the mops when cleaning carpets. This prevents them from getting wet. The Dreame L20 Ultra has a 4.2-star rating on Amazon based on 626 reviews. Many users praise its stellar performance and self-maintaining features. One reviewer highlights how it does a better job than manual cleaning. They also appreciate its intuitive mapping and zoning capabilities. However, some users have noted issues with the app's intuitiveness. Others have reported mixed results with carpet cleaning performance. If you're a homeowner, busy professional, or pet owner seeking a hands-free cleaning solution, the Dreame L20 Ultra is worth considering. Its advanced features and automation can save you time and effort. However, consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. Weigh the pros and cons based on user reviews and product specifications. Ready to reclaim your weekends and enjoy a consistently clean home? Click the link to check out the Dreame L20 Ultra on Amazon and see if it's the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Don't miss out on the chance to simplify your cleaning routine and experience the future of home cleaning.